Hey guys, welcome back to K and Tam. Today we want you to watch this crazy sidewalk transformation. This is the before, very weedy, unattractive, and in need of some freshness.
Hey guys, we've broken out the asphalt. Just cleaning it up. Taking this out soon. So we're dropping the pavers. I've tripod out. It's work. So guys, I'm going to dispose this right now. Okay guys. That's what we've done so far. Dugouts, let's get ready for the tripod out. So guys, dugouts aside. Then we're almost done. Okay, so practically we're done. Compacting. Just want to start laying the bricks now. Looks good, eh? Watch out for the next stage. Okay, and tampons are interesting.
You can see how smooth and level the gravel went down. And this is essential to make sure the pavers lay flat and level on the ground. One reason why this project is so unique is because of the checkerboard parquet pattern that you don't see in most commercial spaces.
Okay, done for the day. Finish up tomorrow. Okay guys, so we're practically done with this one. Tomorrow we're gonna cut this and then polymeric sand, call it a day.
The final outcome made the property owners super happy, especially because the before was an eyesore and it downgraded the overall look of the store. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to our channel because we have lots more fun stuff on the way. We really hope you loved this transformation as much as we loved creating it. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget, we do all things property improvement, renovation, landscaping, interior design, and much more. See you next time. Bye.